Let's try Tenedor by James Sinclair from Artisanal Sudoku. If I remember correctly, Tenedor means fork in Spanish. Normal Sudoku rules apply. All clues are standard. Arrows the sum of the digits. So, okay, so we're going to start 1, 2. So minimum, that's 9. So because these have to be different, 2, 3. Then minimum is 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3 equals 6 plus 7, 8, 9. So that has to be a 9. So those should be 1, 2, 3, and then those are 1, 2. But if that's a 1, that would have to be a 2. So the 1 would have to go here, and then that could be a 3. Okay? Same for this one. This one has to be a 3. So that can be a 4. 1, 2, 3. So then the same thing goes here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So then this is a 2, that's a 1. So then that becomes a 1, and then that's a 2. So that's 1. Whoops. Okay. Getting there. And again, so this is 1, 2, 3, so that would have to be the 1, that's a 2, that's a 3, and then that would be a 2, and then that's a 1. So then it solves this one. All right. Got a bunch of the little guys solved, not too bad. So then we have 1, 2, 3, so this could be 4, 5, has to be a 4, 5 actually. Because it can't be a 1, 8, can't be a 2, 7, can't be a 3, 6, so it has to be a 4, 5. Same over here, so this is a 4, 5, and I think that means that has to be the 5, which makes that a 6, and that's a 4. Same over here, 5, 4, and then that becomes a 6. But now this one could be a 1, 8, 2, 7, or 3, 6. So that one can be anything. Okay. I'm going to leave that one alone for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7, 8, 9. So this one is either 7 or 9. And then these are 7, 8, 9. So the 8 has to be up here. 8 has to be up there. 4, 5, 6. So this is 7, 8, 9 as well. So this is a 5, and then this is 6, has to be in one of those two. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, what else do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nothing yet. So those are the 4s. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Huh. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So it's 4, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's just too many options right now. Okay. Let's try. So these, the 1s have to be in one of those two, but if that's a 1, that has to be a 2, but it can't be. Okay. So that's a 1. So then the 1s are down here. Okay. So then if I 1, 1, 1, so then the 1's over here. Okay. And then that becomes, okay, so that's a 1, 2 pair. That's helpful. So then this becomes a 3. One of these two is a 3, but because of that cannot be a 4, so the 3 is here. Okay, so then the 3 is up here. Okay, so then 3s are over here in that box. Where's the 2? So 2, 2, 2. So the 2 is up here, which makes that a 3. So that can no longer be a 3, so it's 3 here, and a 6 is there. So then that one becomes a 1. So that's a 2, that's a 1. Okay, 1s are good. 1s are taken care of. So 2s, 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 2s. So this is the 2 over here. 2s are taken care of. Now 3 is up here. 3s are taken care of. Love it. So the 4s are here. 5s are here. And then 7, 8, and 9 are in all of them. Okay. What else can I solve? What about the 4s? 4s are over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. If this is a 5, then that would have to be a 4. Okay, that's nothing yet. Okay, let's go with, so these would have to be 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I'm just gonna pencil them all in. So then this puts the 5 over here. Six, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so the 8 we already know is in that top row. Okay, so that one cannot be the 8, right? But it can be in any of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But the 5 has to be here, so that has to be a 5, 6 pair. So that can no longer be a 6, which makes this a 6. Okay. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, this is 7, 8, 9. And then so this has to be a 4. Okay, so then the 4 can be in any of those, cannot be in that one. So the 4 has to be here, and that has to be a 4, 5 pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this becomes a 6, which solves that. So this is now 7, 8, 9 again. So that's 7, 8, 9. So then the 5 forces the 5 here. So then that's a 5, so then that's a 4. Okay, so force the 4 there and 4 is there. I understand that I have like the little the helpful hints that the if I remove the pencil marks, then it solves it for me. I'm okay with that. I'm not great at this game, but I have fun, so I'm going to keep it on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7, 8, 9. So we have lots of 7, 8, 9 triples. So again, the 8 has to be in that row. Okay. So this is again 7, 8, 9. And then the 8 has to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a 6, 7, 8. So that means that this is the 9. So that's has to be an 8. So that's a 7, that's an 8. So, okay. And then what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6 has to be here. So this has to be a 6, 7. So that becomes a 9. That's an 8, and that's a 7. That's a 9. That's a 7. That's a 9. So that's a 7. That's an 8. That's a 9. Okay, clearing out those red marks. So that's 7, 8. So then the 9 has to be here. So that's an 8. That's a 7. That's an 8. That's a 7. and then we got the 9 over here. So this becomes a 5-8 pair. Okay, so then this over here actually solves the 8. So the 8 goes here. So this is 6, 7. So 7, 6, 7, 6. This is now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 5, 7. So that's a 7, 5. That's a 4, 5. And then we have 4 and 9. All right. Glad I didn't fail that.